Oh, hello YouTube. It's been a while. This is the first video in probably a couple of months at this point. So a lot of changes in my life. New residence and very little space to set up. Anyway, picked this one up off eBay this week. It's a GE A model. Paid quite a bit of money for it. It needs restoration. I've attached a photo of what it looked like when it first came across the when I opened it up. The first thing that we tested, it didn't work, no power on. I had a faulty power lead, bad soldering. I replaced that, still no work. Diode, input diode, replaced that. Couple of dry joints in and around the input diode as well, and it came to life and gave it just a minor clean. I don't have any of my cleaning materials available, so I've just done a very rough clean. So we've got it in the dummy load at the moment. We've got TX. Sorry, I can't show you on a power meter. AM. I've still to go through and deoxidize the mode switch. Alright, so it appears to be TXing. It's pretty rough. Bonus, it's a 40 channel. Very tight. I'll show you the inside. The good news is it's a virgin radio. That's the area right here. Input diode. It's just untouched. Typical Cybernet Mark 1. Everything is original. It's quite interesting, all of the variable resistors, there's no muck on them. It's all very, very clean. Where some of the better looking radios, they've been really, really bad inside. Anyway, just another example of a Cybernet radio that I'm going to work on. Bring it back to life. We'll detail the front. If the front panel is not recoverable, then I'll have to look at the chroming process, which might be a good one to try on the A model. Not that you're going to hear anything. Yeah, alright. This switch needs replacing, so I need to find another one of those. I did a rough clean of the knobs. They're pretty bad. Brought the luster back in the front here, but still need to detail the metal. But there you go. A couple of hours, things back to working, TXing, audio, and it's at a stage where we can start from there. Alright, thanks very much guys. Enjoy. And remember, comment, like and subscribe, and please post your photos and videos. The hobby is starting to boom again at the moment. Not that it will ever get back to, I think, what it was in obviously the 80s, but from a collecting perspective, it's pretty hot at the moment. And people are asking ridiculous prices and getting them for old radios. But anyway, it's a good progression into ham radio, and that's where all the excitement's at. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.